What's up, everybody? It's Dr. Winners, aka the Bentist, and we're back with another YouTube video. Now, this one is gonna be an interesting one because this is something that you guys have heard is so amazing. It's used by all the celebrities. You see it on the Instagram ads. But what if I told you that it might be one of the worst things you can use for your teeth? That's right, we're gonna get into it. But first, I wanna say thank you guys so much for all the love, support. I'm just an orthodontist, man. And how I made it here with almost 5 million followers on our TikTok, almost 300K on the Instagram. I got 2 channels here. We're bumping, we're moving here on the regular Bentist channel. And also, if you're into gaming, we are killing it on Twitch and the Bentist Gaming YouTube channel. Come on, dude, we can't be stopped. So thank you guys so much. Before we do this video, make sure to hit that like button, help the algorithm out. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be up to date with all the most crazy knowledge that comes from the Bentist. You know, help with your braces life hacks. We got some funny reaction videos. We got some health knowledge, everything else in between. I'm your one-stop shop for all dental knowledge. So thank you guys so much. I love you, love you, love you. Now let's get into the video. Now let's get right into it. The thing that you're thinking about, the thing that all these influencers, celebrities use to tout, it's so amazing, that's absolutely destroying your teeth, is charcoal toothpaste. That's right, charcoal toothpaste. That cool black stuff you see on every Walmart shelf and every Target aisle, as well as every Instagram ad you can think of, is absolutely destroying your enamel. Now, why? Let's get into it a little bit. So first off, this stuff right here, charcoal toothpaste, is terrible because it is super abrasive, okay? Now, the way I make this analogy for people, every toothpaste has certain ingredients in it, okay? You need some fresh breath stuff, you need some cleanser in there. And one of the things that you need in a toothpaste is a mild abrasive. Now, an abrasive is just something rough, really kind of rubs things off, okay? You don't want it to be too abrasive because then it actually files off your enamel in the front of your tooth. You want it strong enough to be able to pull off the plaque, pull off a slight bit of calculus, pull off all that gunk and food that you had. You know, that leftover bag of hot Cheetos that you were so much eating over here. And the problem with charcoal toothpaste is ground charcoal, which is the activated charcoal that they use in the toothpaste, absolutely insanely coarse. So it's almost like I made a toothpaste, right? Okay, so imagine the Bentist made an imaginary toothpaste brand called Sandpaper Sally's, and I decided to make it a, you know, special toothpaste brand for you. You know, it's a toothpaste, but it's just got ground sandpaper. So yeah, it's great, right? Great. Might want to just, I don't know, have some IG models tout it for me, and then I can sell it and make millions. Well, that's exactly what charcoal toothpaste is. It's basically ground up sandpaper in your toothpaste. It's black though, so it's cool. It's modern. So when you use it, it absolutely destroys your enamel layers, okay? That's why it's so bad. Now, this is how they've gotten away with it, is they've marketed it as a whitening toothpaste. And you're right, it whitens your tooth. It whitens your teeth really good because it rips off all the stain layer on the top. So now all you have is bare tooth underneath. And the problem is if you do that over and over again, layer gone, layer gone, layer gone, you end up down with nothing left of the protective enamel coating. And what I see in so many braces patients, very intense sensitivity to their teeth. I can see it a mile away. They come in, and if I try and take a little bit of glue off or a little bit of polishing, they go, oh, and I instantly know. I'm like, hey, are you using charcoal toothpaste? And they're like, yeah, why wouldn't I be using charcoal toothpaste? It's like the healthy stuff, right? And then I have to have the long talk with them. So that's exactly right. Charcoal toothpaste is a no bueno, man. No bueno. So what you do want to use is some regular toothpaste, okay? That's all it is. And it really doesn't matter in the end what type of toothpaste it is, as long as it's not just a regular charcoal toothpaste, okay? Now, you do want some fluoride in your toothpaste because that makes sure that your teeth are nice and healthy and strong. Don't believe all the, we're not trying to mind control you with some fluoride, okay? You know, you're gonna get some from your water, but just to make sure you're doubly taken care of, have a fluoridated toothpaste, okay? You can use a natural one if you want to, that's fine, okay? And then just choose whatever flavor you want. Now, there is one other caveat to this that you guys probably need to know, okay? And that is that there is actually healthy charcoal toothpastes out there. Now, with all the hype that surrounded all this charcoal toothpaste stuff, Crest, your Oral-B, people like that said, I want that dollar bills, y'all. I need to jump on this hype train ASAP and try and sell these big $1 billion of toothpaste. And so what they did was they created something called enamel-safe charcoal toothpaste. And what is enamel-safe charcoal toothpaste, the Bentist? I'll tell you. It's basically black toothpaste. They just took their regular toothpaste and they colored it black. It's now charcoal, colored with charcoal, but it doesn't have that activated charcoal hardcore abrasiveness to it. So if you do see an enamel-safe charcoal toothpaste, technically those are okay. Let's run this all down again for everybody here listening, just to make sure we're all on the same page, okay? 1, regular charcoal toothpaste is terrible. It's basically sandpaper toothpaste. Okay, so if you want sandpaper toothpaste, what you're gonna have is you're gonna have white teeth. You are, but they're gonna be super sensitive because you ripped off all the enamel. Now 2, if you want to whiten, just use some whitening strips, okay? You don't have to use the charcoal toothpaste. That's a whole nother rant, whole nother video that we'll get into. If you want to whiten your teeth, there's other options out there. You can use whitening toothpaste, okay? You can use whitening strips. You can go to your dentist and get actual whitening stuff. They even make toothpaste or tooth whitening polish that you can polish on your teeth. There's so many other ways, but the one thing you don't want to do is just grind your teeth away with some sandpaper. That's a terrible idea. I know it's hip, I know it's cool, I know it's black and modern and sleek, but it's no bueno. You don't want it, okay? So go get some regular toothpaste. Personally, you know, I'd give my recommendations here, but people would think I'm a paid shill. So I'm not getting paid by any of these brands, okay? No one's paying me to say this type of stuff. Charcoal toothpaste sucks. Don't use it. But you just grab your favorite minty flavor from the aisle and that will do just fine. If you guys want to see some more videos like this, you like the introduction, you like the type of information that I'm putting out there, the life hacks, the braces tips, everything in between, let me know. I'm here to help you guys out, okay? I'm here to make these videos to make you guys better people and enjoy your braces. Mainly, I want, if you're a kid getting braces or you're just somebody just earning for knowledge, you know, yearning for the knowledge, I want you to come in here and be able to know everything that you want to know. Now, this is a big one, okay? Charcoal toothpaste was a big one. I have so many more. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow. Make sure to hit me up and just tell me, drop me a line on Instagram or even text down below in the comments. What do you want to see? What's something about braces that you'd want to know about? What's something about dentistry that you want to know about? Maybe you want to know some educational videos on how many years it takes to become a dentist and my journey through that. Whatever it is, I love you guys. Thank you for the support so much here on the main Bentist channel and on my gaming channel as well. If you're into gaming, check that out. Also, we Twitch stream 3 to 4 days a week on Twitch. So that's another big one too. It is insane the amount of support I've gotten from you guys. And thank you so much. Till the next one, I will see you guys later. It's your friendly neighborhood dentist, the Bentist, orthodontist, ready to kick some butt and show you guys how to conquer your braces vacation and just get you through those past couple years till you got that Hollywood smile. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Again, I can thank you till the end of the world, man. You guys are awesome. So till next time, I love you guys. See ya. Peace.